Hello my friend and welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula and I'm a digital entrepreneur, and today I want to share with you how to start off making money online through Legacy Builders Program, a step-by-step guide for anyone who is ready to build an online business but doesn't know where to begin. Now, let me ask you a real question. Are you tired of financial struggles, debts and bills that never stop coming? Or maybe your business has collapsed and you're looking for a fresh start. If that sounds like you, then keep watching, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a digital business that can change your life forever. For me, this is personal. I used to run a physical business that collapsed, and I was left drowning in debts and endless pressure from creditors. I remember sleepless nights, stress, and even my health being affected. But on the 8th of July 2025, by the grace of God, I came across this program and I knew this is it. I had no tech experience, no social media following. I literally had no clue about online business. I was starting completely from the scratch, but I made a decision to try. And honestly, that decision transformed my life, because I have started clearing the debts and I have a peace of mind and I'm on my way to financial freedom. That's why I'm sharing this with you today, because if I could do it starting from nothing, then you can do it too. You only need a smartphone, internet connection, 2 to 3 hours a day, and of course, reasonable startup capital. So what is Legacy Builders Program? Legacy Builders Program is an online digital education course founded by an American entrepreneur. Her name is Michelle O'Neill. It is designed to teach you the exact skills you need to start and run and grow an online business. Think of it like a school for digital entrepreneurs. The same way a doctor goes to a medical school or a baker goes to culinary school, if you want to succeed in an online business, you need the right training, and Legacy Builders Program gives you that foundation. So what is a digital business? A digital business is simply selling or promoting digital products online. Now, what are digital products? These are things or products you cannot touch physically, but they have massive value. Like, for example, ebooks, online courses like Legacy Builders Program, templates, applications, membership programs. The beauty of digital products is that they are created once, but you can sell them over and over again, globally, worldwide, 24/7. That's how people build passive income streams online. So how do you make money in Legacy Builders Program? Number one, by creating and selling your own products. You learn how to package your skills, your talents, and your knowledge into ebooks, into courses, or even templates that you can sell online. For example, if you know how to bake, you could create a recipe ebook and sell it worldwide. Okay. Number two, by promoting Legacy Builders Program itself, you get to share the same course with others. When people enroll through you, you earn 100% profit. That means you start earning while you're still earning. Number three, by using high income skills, you will master in-demand skills like content creation, affiliate marketing, and even email marketing, website building, and many more. These are skills you can use to freelance or work for businesses online. Okay. The 4 programs that you can join with, there are 4 different entry points in Legacy Builders Program, depending on your budget and your goals. Number one, we have Legacy Builder. It's $900 full advanced course with 144 modules. Number 2, we have Digital Mastery. It is $600 with 90 modules. Number 3, we have Passive Daily, $300, 75 modules. Number 4, we have Launchpad, $100 and 44 modules. These are one-time fees, no monthly subscriptions, no hidden charges. You pay once and you get lifetime access, and you can start learning and earning immediately. So how do you start off? Here is the step-by-step process how you start off. Choose your program level. Decide whether you want to begin with Launchpad, Passive Daily, Digital Mastery, or go straight into Legacy Builder. Number 2, get enrolled. You receive your login details to the online learning platform once your one-time payment is paid through a link that I will send you. Number 3, start learning. Begin with the beginner-friendly modules where you'll be guided on how digital business works. Even if you've never done anything like this before, you will learn. Number 4, apply as you learn. When learning, you also start implementing. That could mean creating your first digital product, setting up your social media content, or sharing the Legacy Builders program with others. Number 5, earn while you learn. As people enroll from your referrals, you keep 100% profit, and the program is built so that you're never just a student, you're building a business at the same time. Why Legacy Builders program is different? There are 4 online programs out there, but Legacy Builders program is unique because it is beginner friendly. No experience you need. It combines learning plus earning at the same time. Number 2, Legacy Builders program gives you lifetime mentorship and community support. It's practical, you apply everything you learn immediately. My friend, here is the truth. You can continue waiting for a miracle job, or you can equip yourself with skills that will create your own financial freedom today. For me, joining Legacy Builders program was a turning point, and it could be the same for you if you're looking for financial freedom. So don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Start small if you need to, but just start, because one step of courage today can change your entire future. If this video has opened your eyes to what's possible, go ahead and hit the like button, share this with a friend who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on digital business. And if you're ready to start your journey with Legacy Builders program, check the link in my description or drop me a message and I will guide you step by step. Until next time, this is Paula reminding you that your financial freedom is possible if you just take the first step. God bless you.